What's going on, everybody? It is Bryce TV back again with another video. We got some good reviews coming up for you here. I just got a package here from Staunch. They gave a $5 sampler pack, 2 different pre-workouts along with 2 BCAA formulas and a free shaker cup. So in here right now is the white grape BCAA. Now, I'm not familiar with BCAAs, but this is good. I might start fooling with them because I know I don't get enough of my protein that I should get anyway, so I might start fucking with the BCAA formulas from Staunch because that's delicious. One second. I'm back. Other than that, we got 2 new flavors. We got 2 flavors here. We got pina colada. Let's see if we can get that in focus here. And peach mango. So today I'm gonna try that peach mango because that sounds fucking great. Pina colada sounds good too, but so this is Koala Freak from Staunch. It has 360 milligrams of caffeine, 6 grams of citrulline malate, 3.2 grams of beta alanine. I like that 3.2 grams. And this is a 1 serving packet. Now, what they don't tell you is that they have 360 milligrams of caffeine. There's also 360 milligrams of L-theanine. And if you know, like I know, L-theanine can take away a lot of those effects that you may want from your caffeine dosage in your pre-workout. 360 sounded good at first, then I saw L-theanine at 360. I was like, oh, fuck. Why must you do this to me? But I'm not gonna count it out yet. Bradley Martin's pre-workout is a 1-to-1 on theanine and caffeine, so we're gonna see how that goes. Right now I'm prepped for the gym. I am gonna go ahead and give you a live taste results though on this peach mango before I walk out. Smells good. Let's give it a shot. Smells on point. That is a peach, and that is definitely a mango. So let's see what we got here. That's nice. It's got a real nice sweet sour balance on it. That's good shit. If that theanine doesn't prove to be a bitch, this might be my go. That's tasty. Anyway, so that's the first part of this video. I'm gonna get to the workout. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you know how I felt this pre-workout performed for me. I'm hitting chest today and a little bit of shoulders. So I'll check you guys back. What's up? I am back. Finished off the pre-workout. It's good. I didn't really feel the beta alanine the way I thought I would. With 3.2 grams, I normally feel it a lot more. I was very strong, about 50 minutes into my workout. And then I just started to feel like light-headed or, like fatigued for some reason. I'm not gonna blame that on the pre-workout itself. That could be, I am just getting over a cold. That could have been because of that. Could be because of what I've eaten today. I didn't really eat anything. I didn't eat properly prior to working out. I felt like I was properly hydrated. So, that could have been an abundance of things. So, I'm not gonna blame it on that, but I was definitely in the zone. Like when I first got in the gym, I was jigging and shit when I got in there. I was in the zone. Like I did chest, shoulders, and some triceps today. I was really into it and really focused. So I'm gonna say it's real good. It tastes amazing. Peach mango. It's fucking like, it's like juice. So I'm gonna try to be a little better prepared. Next week I'm gonna try the other flavor. I'm gonna try to be a little better prepared for that one and give it a second run. I'm not saying it's bad as far as I'm concerned. This right here that's in here, this is the BCAA juice. So I mean, I drank the pre-workout. Next week I'm gonna go in a little more focused, a little more hydrated, eat properly leading up to it, and see how it works overall that day. Because like I said, I just got over a cold. I don't think my hydration was off, but I mean, I had McDonald's like 2 or 3 hours prior to me going. Maybe if I ate a better meal and prepared myself better for it, I would have been better off. I probably wouldn't have had that fatigue and feeling of lightheadedness at about an hour in my workout. So I worked out for an hour and 25 minutes. Like I said, I do like it. The taste is definitely a 10 out of 10. The shit is amazing, the peach mango anyway. The next one is pina colada. Effectiveness, I'm going to give it a 8. It's an 8. I mean, that theanine, I could feel that I wasn't really getting that jolt that I really wanted. So, you know, it is what it is. I mean, it's a good pre-workout for people. If you getting off late from work, which I'm gonna be doing pretty soon. I'm gonna be getting off at like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. A pre-workout like this is good because then you won't be wide the fuck awake like when you get done. You'll be able to go to sleep. So, I mean, it's good for that. I say it's even good for people that are just starting out and they want their first pre-workout and you don't want to be lit the fuck out, you know. So, try Staunch Koala Freak. Other than that, anything else? I mean, am I missing anything? I don't know. So, it's good. The BCAA stuff, it's good. Maybe that's what gave me the lightheadedness feeling. It might be an ingredient in the formula they did it for me. I don't know. But I'm not a scientist or anything. I just take what fucking works. So this BCAA juice too is very, very, very fucking tasty. I read a lot of people just put BCAA into a jug of water at the beginning of the day and they chug it throughout the day. I mean, it keeps the water flavorful and plus you're getting some benefits out of it. So, I mean, I was just drinking it during my workout, but I'm probably gonna do what I see other people do and put it in a jug of water and drink it, sip on that for the duration of the day. Thank you guys for checking out the video. This was a review of the Staunch Koala Freak Peach Mango Flavor pre-workout beverage and the BCAA formula. They're both pretty damn tasty. That sampler kit is $5 on their website. You're only paying for shipping. So if you want to get that, I'll leave a link down below for that. It is $5 flat rate shipping. It came in about 5 days, so it didn't take forever. So look into that if you're interested. Other than that, I got a few other videos coming up down the pipeline. So I hope you enjoy what you see here. I tried to let a little bit more of my personality flow in this video. So I hope you enjoy it. And like the video, thumbs up, please. I need some thumbs up. If you watch the video, give it a thumbs up. If I get 48 views, I need to see that math in my likes and dislikes. That's all I want to see. Likes, dislikes, or likes, however you guys gonna see it in the camera. So, like the video if you like it. Dislike the video if you fucking dislike it. And share, comment. Throw me some comments. If y'all want me to do other things other than pre-workouts, let me know. I'm open to other stuff. So, like the video, comment on the video, share the video, love the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, in the meantime, yeah, if you like this shirt, Patriotic Pump Apparel, check out their gear. They have nice gear. So in the description box below, I will leave a link to patrioticpump.com with my discount code Bryson15. I'll let you know I am an ambassador for the Patriotic Pump brand and I really stand behind the t-shirts. They wash well. Look, I mean, the wording doesn't fall off in the wash. I've washed mine like 5-6 times now. It feels like it came fresh out the package. So they fit nice on the sleeve, as you see. I like how they fit on the sleeve. They look good, right? They look good, right? Heavyweight, baby. That's what the fuck I am. So, I'll leave the link down below for that. Bryson15 for 15% off your entire purchase, all right? Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace out.